DSM Brower. I was asked if I could make a video about the CV input, and I thought, okay, let's do this. And here we go. The first thing we need is something that can send control voltage, like this pedal, or something like this Eurorack module. We start with the normal pedal to make a control voltage input in the Rytm. To connect them, you need just normal cable, which can you patch into the Rytm and your pedal. Then you have to go to the kit menu, and there you can change the CV control input. And then you see on the left side this bar, and if I push the pedal, you will see there come something in. This pedal hasn't its own power, so all comes from the Rytm. But if you see this bar, you see there is only a positive voltage. This is a limitation in this case, but there are other pedals outside which can handle positive and negative voltage. Quite more in a moment. If we change to the Eurorack, this can handle both negative and positive voltage. You can set up to 4 parameters, which can you change in the drag, so you switch from bass drum, snare drum, rim shot, etc. through all the tracks. And in the last one there's also the FX track. And in this case I have a little example which sounds like this. And we want to change the amount from the synth, so the envelope depth of the filter rises up. So we change to the snare drum. Here is the synth. Choosing the envelope depth. Good, up. You see, it's not the best pedal, so I can push it even a little bit, and it's all rising up to 48, the maximum, and I don't have the chance to really set up something between there. So it's not the best way to use this pedal. Okay, yeah, let's do the same with the Eurorack. That's more controllable. For the Eurorack you need a cable like this, so you get a gray jack and a little one. So now I connected this fader with the Rytm, so you can see there's quite rising high here in the bar, and it can also do in negative voltage, minus 64. And if we set up now the filter envelope amount, like in the example before, you can see that we go in both the negative and positive way. So we have more flexibility on this page where we can set up the modulation. So you can set up to 4 parameters for each individual on the control inputs. Keep in mind you can always set up the FX parameters, which gives you quite more flexibility, but you cannot set up performance pads. This would be nice for a feature update if you hear that Elektron. So keep in mind we want to set up our performance mods on the control input, and that's the way like they work on the control voltage input on the analog Rytm. I hope you enjoyed this video and want to see more from me, so please subscribe my channel, like this video, and write me comments for other tutorial ideas. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you and good night.